Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in these videos we are gonna be walking around Tangier in Morocco. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up please, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
So here you can see the flags. That means there's administration or school. So here, for example, you can see the flag of Morocco has 5 points. That means 5 pillars of Islam, and also the 5 prayers a day. Because here, normally the Muslims, they do the prayer 5 times a day. As I told you, first one between 5 and 6, second one between 1 and 2. It depends to the times, because the times never come on fixed, because it depends to the mood. Sometimes come early, sometimes come later. So that why the time sometimes we see between 1 and 2. This one between 3 and 4, and the fourth between 6 and 7, and the last one between 9 and 10. Because on
A barber shop.
خانه سكران
This look good.
and Medina, because it's surrounded by big wall and has 7 gates. And also this is Bab and Kasaba. That means the gate of Kasaba, because Bab, that means gate. And also we have here inside we have Bab, that means gate, and belongs to the Kasbah. Kasbah is a fortress, and Medina is a shopping area. So first we start with the Kasbah or up, and then we can walk and come down to the Medina, to the shopping area. Okay?
Okay.
Waka. Have to wait a minute, wait a minute. Yalla, let's go. Sabi.
Let's go.
You find ceremonial gates. Gates with the name of some the name of some leader.
Oh, this is nice.
Please.
We are in the La Medina de Tangier.
So
Very nice.
too small. But orange or white, big, yeah. Sorry? Riyadh, yes. Most of them they make it a Riyadh because in the Fes or Marrakesh we have lots of beach.
Muchos gatitos. A lot of cats around here. Watch.
Now it's 1:30.
Wow, this is nice.
Don't fight, you don't fight. No money in the society. They have family. What you like? 3 euro 50. Another kind. 3 euro 50. No money. Give me 10, amigo, give me 10.
I'm good.
Take 4 for 10.
No.
Like cafes. Thank you.
Camping for tequila.
No, thank you.
They don't play plus once. How much?
This is what I know. Eventually, we have to go over there because that's where our ship is.
I'm good, my friend.
If you want something, we'll give you back.
No, I'm good.
You want the
Pass me
pizza?
now for you. I have jalaba for the man.
Yeah, pass me now.
Jalaba for you.
Vale, esperamos fuera, por favor.
Okay, please, for picture. Come on, hey,
Dice,
Spanish coastline. Strait of Gibraltar.
Yeah, yeah.
Mira España ya.
That side. What time the boat leaves? What time
España.
the boat leaves? 4:30?
Spain.
It's 4 o'clock.
Gibraltar.
You may see from the roof.
Por aquí.
Okay.
Look, it's almost like a cloud. It's not a cloud. It's a mountain. It's a rock.
Lo que se ve allá is Spain. En Gibraltar,
Only
por
14
over there.
kilometers away from here.
Y nuestro barco allá al final.
That's nice. It's not carrying heavy. You know how much? It's not carrying, not heavy. You want, but it's nice. It's not carrying, not heavy. Okay. You know how much?
There is little cats everywhere. Los discos de They are doing some construction in this area.
هيدا ديك النهار هيداك دابا
أبو عماد طبيعة
Ajá, y él se fue o... Thank you. I have really enjoyed Tangier. It's very nice, it's beautiful, it's clean, and the people is very nice. I hope I can come back soon to this country. And we are gonna continue. We are sailing today at 4:30 in the afternoon, and then tomorrow we are gonna go to Sevilla. Yes, we are gonna be in Sevilla tomorrow. So let's continue enjoying this beautiful cruise for the Mediterranean.